Monterosso is different to the other villages. It has beaches. They are divided by a small headland which serves to separate the old village from the new town of Fegina. Because boats can land easily here, the town has a long history of fishing. Restaurants like the Belvedere on the seafront serve the local fish and wine. How long has the restaurant been here?
We are the owners since 1991, but it has been here since the 60s. There was another family. We took over in 1991.
And is your family from Liguria?
Yes, my father is from Vernazza and my mom from Monterosso. A local family.
Very
yes.
lovely, yes.
Yeah.
5 members of the Moggia family run the restaurant and own a nearby hotel. Federico's mother Santina is the chef, helped by his father. The family emigrated to South Africa some years ago, but have returned to their roots in the Cinque Terre to build up a successful business. Santina, what are the local dishes that are popular with tourists?
The main dish with pasta is pesto. And I don't know why, but they like ours the most. Mm-hmm. And then the anchovy dishes, very, very much. Of course, there are our own anchovies, fish around here. Mainly all the restaurants here in the Cinque Terre, when it's the season, May, June, July, we salt them. And then we use them after 3 months mainly. Mm-hmm. And then you serve them with garlic, oregano, and our own olive oil.
Mm-hmm. So you can have them unsalted as well as salted?
Yes, fresh, and stuffed. I would like you to try them later, which they're very nice.
Okay.
It's a poor food, our own food. It's poor, it's not very rich, but there's plenty work with it. You use bread, the bread of the day after, not the fresh bread. And there's herbs, plenty herbs, oregano, which grows here. There's majorana. I don't know what you call it in English.
Is it marjoram?
Yes. We use plenty of that. And garlic. And not much else. You see, that's why. But it's very nice.
Federico, the fishing tradition seems to be more in Monterosso than the other villages.
Yes, Monterosso has maintained more or less his fishing traditions to nowadays also. And the fishermen especially go in the summer period from May, June, July and August. They go out with the lamparas. They leave at 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock in the night. They come back at 5 o'clock in the morning. They stay out with these big lamps they have, where the fish all come under the lamps, especially anchovies. That's our main fishing tradition. So all the recipes come from the anchovies. And then other types of fish, swordfishes, when the season is for sword fishing, and tuna fishes too. But the main tradition, we can say, is anchovies.
We also have local mussels. They come from near Spezia, Porto Venere. Have you been there?
Yes.
It's a lovely place.
Beautiful, yes.
Maybe you've seen that they grow mussels. Our own mussels are very nice, small, very full, and we stuff them. Another lovely dish is, you know, the one with plenty of...
Not the octopus?
Octopus, right. Why did I forget that word? We cook plenty of octopus. We boil it and we make salad with it. Now it's season of a big fish. You know, in the middle of August until the end of September. It's round and black. We fillet them, and I serve with potatoes and mushrooms, which now it's starting the season of mushrooms, so I serve that. My daughter-in-law just filleted. It's a lovely fish. And we call it rondine. And rondine, it's like a swallow, because it's black.